Okay, good morning, South Florida. Almost 8 a.m. I'm Eric Yutzi.
I'm JC Birch. Julie's here with a brand new advisory on Hurricane Irma.
You guys, it is not good. It is not good at all. We now have a Category 5 hurricane headed to the Leeward Islands. As of moments ago, the National Hurricane Center has Hurricane Hunter aircraft out there, and they investigated the system, and their data proved to them that there are winds of 175 miles per hour. The gusts are at 185, and the pressure has dropped to 929 millibars. It's moving to the west at 14 miles per hour. The system itself is going to continue on that west path. During the intermediate advisory, we don't see a change in the forecast path, but we are noticing the Latin long location and the strength of the system. Again, a monster of a storm is headed to our friends in the Leeward Islands and in towards Puerto Rico. All eyes on this system. Look at that well-defined center of circulation. Again, the center is 270 miles just east of Antigua, and it is going to affect our friends and the Leeward Islands and in towards portions of the Lesser Antilles. As you can see, the system is so large, so powerful, and it is going to be destructive. Unfortunately, it is dangerous conditions for our friends across parts of the Leeward Islands. Puerto Rico, again, remember, this forecast cone has not changed since 5 a.m. We won't see a change in the forecast path until the 11 a.m. advisory. The forecast path, though, has the system as a Category 4, possibly just north, skimming Puerto Rico and possibly staying north of in towards Haiti and Dominican Republic as it heads towards South Florida. We have a lot we need to watch with the system. A lot could change between now and going into Friday and Saturday, but the one concern that we know is that this system is powerful. There's nothing in its way to weaken the system, and that's why it just continues to strengthen. So we're going to continue to watch it because we could deal with tropical storm force winds as early as Friday night. As you do see, South Florida is in the forecast path of the system, and the days to come, we'll continue to watch it, guys.